It's raining today. Beautiful day today. Welcome back to my channel, each and everyone. Today I'm going to do a little demonstration about cabbage and how important it is to take good care of your cabbage. Cabbage is something you can plant them, and if you don't care them, you still might get something from them. But if you want the best out of them, you have to take care of them really well. You see, I like to use my bare hand. I feel connected to the plants when I use my bare hand. So I'm softening up. Today's a rainy day and plants love rain. So all I'm doing, I'm softening up the dirt around them. This means a lot to the plant. The more you take care of your vegetables, is the more they produce for you. So this is very important. This is a sage cabbage. This is not the regular cabbage that we plant. This is a different kind. Very tasty. So I recommend anybody who want to plant their garden to try this cabbage. Nice rainy day. They're loving it. So always go through all these kind of dirt. You just crush them. Crush them that the roots can't go through them. They're loving this weather. So I'm just giving you guys just a little idea of how important it is to put dirt around the root of your plant. Very important, and always soften the dirt around it. And after the rain, you come back after the rain and you soften up the earth again. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.